Assalamu alaikum students. We were discussing about the periodicity of properties. We had discussed the periodicity of atomic size, shielding effect, and ionization energy of the atoms in a periodic table. Today we have a discussion on electron affinity. What is electron affinity? Electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released when an electron is added in the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom. If the electron is added in an atom, the specific amount of energy will release. That released amount of energy is called as the electron affinity of an atom. Here you can see the atom. Electron is added into this atom to make it ion. This will be an ion because the addition of electron cause negative ion. This new species is an ion because this new species contains negative ion. In ionization energy, we discussed that the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bounded electron. In ionization energy, electron is removed and ion is formed. That ion was positive ion and called as cation. But in electron affinity, electron is added and specific amount of energy will release from the atom, and the new species that is formed is called as ion, anion, because the new species contains negative ion. For example, this atom is of fluorine. Fluorine takes one electron and becomes fluoride ion. The amount of energy that is released during the addition of electron in fluorine atom is minus 328 kilojoules per mole. Delta H represents the heat content that is released from the atom when electron is added into it. So this amount of energy will release from the atom when you are going to add electron in it. This is called as electron affinity. Affinity means attraction. Affinity means attraction towards electrons. So atom having attraction towards electron, due to the addition of electrons, some amount of energy will release from the atom. Here you can see one electron is added into this atom at a time. This atom lacks 2 electrons because you can see first shell having 2 electrons and the second shell having 6 electrons. So total are 8 electrons, which represent that it is an oxygen atom. So oxygen needs 2 electrons to complete its outermost shell, to complete its electron. At a time, it will take 1 electron and become minus 1 because of the take of 1 electron. This is called as first electron affinity. Second time, when you are going to add another electron in this oxygen atom to make it minus 2, because by taking 2 electron, octet of oxygen will complete. This is called as second electron affinity. So the twice energy will release from the oxygen atom. First electron affinity when first electron is added into oxygen atom, and the second electron affinity is when the second electron is added into atom. Here you can see the trend of electron affinity in periodic table. Electron affinity increases along the period and decreases down the group as ionization energy increases along the period and decreases down the group. In the same way, electron affinity is also increases along the period and decreases down the group. The reason is this: along the period, atomic size decreases. Atomic size in a period decreases. Due to the decrease in atomic size, nucleus feel more attraction towards the coming electron. So, due to that attraction of nucleus for the incoming electron, make it release more energy. Atomic size decreases along the period. Attraction of the nucleus for the incoming electron increases. That means attraction for the electron is more. So, more amount of energy will release from the atom. So, along the period, the value of electron affinity increases. And down the group, the value of electron affinity decreases. This is just till the halogens. You do not talk about electron affinity for noble gases. Noble gases having electron affinity that is 0 because their outermost shell, their valence shell is completed. So there no need to add more electron. That's why the electron affinity, the value of electron affinity for noble gases is 0. So when we are talking about the trend, we just say the electron affinity along the period increases and down the period decreases, except the group that is noble gases. The last group, 18th group. Why electron affinity decreases down the group? Because the number of shells are increasing down the group. Hydrogen having 1 shell, lithium having 2 shells, sodium having 3, potassium having 4, and rubidium having 5 shells. So down the group, number of shells are increasing. Due to the increase of the number of shells, the attraction of the nucleus for the incoming electron decreases. So less amount of energy will release from the atom because there is less attraction for the incoming electron. If the attraction for the incoming electron is increases, then the value of electron affinity, the energy that is released from the system is increases. But if the attraction for the incoming electron is decreases, as we see down the group, then the value of electron affinity, the trend of electron affinity decreases. Here is also written as the electron affinity increases along the period and electron affinity decreases down the group. Increases when you are moving upward in a group. Downward is decreases, but when you are moving upward in a group, the electron affinity value increases.